This video got nearly 1 million views in just 3 weeks. It's 42 seconds long, filmed on a phone, and delivered by a 21-year-old with barely a few hundred subscribers on his channel. Today, that same creator is sitting at over 15,000 subscribers. And if you're thinking to yourself, that kind of growth, it just doesn't sound possible for me to do. Stop it. I'm going to show you exactly why this can't get any easier. Seriously, this guy has cracked the code and exposed a massive opportunity. So, pay attention. My name is Scott Simpson. I'm a YouTube strategist who's helped thousands of creators grow their channels with proven strategies. And you guys, I actually made a video on this exact horizontal short format on another channel. I'm going to show you how it performed at the end of this video. This wasn't a viral fluke, it was a formula. And once you understand how it works and why it works, you can start applying it to your own videos immediately. All right, let's break this down. First, the title. Give me 42 seconds, I'll delete your fear of failure. In under a minute, this promises emotional transformation. That's not clickbait. That's a promise with urgency. The word delete tells you it's going to be fast, decisive, and final. People like clicking on things that are decisive. They like clicking on things that promote and produce an instantaneous result. Basically, this type of language in your content short circuits hesitation. We've seen this used to great effect by creators like Alex Hermosi and Dan Coe. Quick transformation, no fluff. All right, now let's talk about the thumbnail. It's bold, white and yellow text. I don't know if you've studied color theory, but yellow is a sign for warning. It grabs attention. There's a black background in this, and his face is dead center with intense eye contact. This isn't your cliche selfie face. You know what I'm talking about. Just stop. He looks serious, and this is why it stops you. He's not there to entertain. He's there to confront you. That's a pattern disruption in action. But here's what really makes this video special. It's a horizontal short. In this vertical dominated scrolling, swiping ecosystem, a horizontal short feels wrong. And that's exactly why it works. It signals that you're not just getting another TikTok style dopamine hit, you're getting something you might actually need to hear. Just give me under a minute and I'll remove your fear of failure. No hello, no hey guys, no intro, no setup. The value begins the very first second. And ultimately, he reframes failure as the price of growth, which leaves the audience on a high. He says, quote, "You don't get great without getting it wrong." Inspiring. And then he brings it all home with, be more afraid of staying the same. You guys, if you have ever accomplished anything, you know that it takes effort, especially if you're an entrepreneur, that the more that you seek problems to solve, the more value you bring into your life. And so what he's trying to say is that staying the same is going to lock you into a pattern of fear. And that's not what you want. And let me just be real. This video isn't just motivational noise. It's not like the rah-rah videos that we see from so many other creators. It's emotionally condensed storytelling. Here's the repeatable structure Sonum used. Number 1, urgent hook. Give me 42 seconds. Number 2, emotional tension. Fear of failure. Number 3, belief shift. Failure is how you level up. Number 4, identity trigger. Comfort never changed anyone. And number 5, emotional call to action. Have the courage to start. That's where transformation begins. This is the exact same structure used in longer content by creators like Better Ideas and Yes Theory. Sonum just compressed the entire hero's journey into 42 seconds. And you guys, this wasn't a fluke. Check this out. His follow-up video, give me 58 seconds, I'll delete your fear of judgment, pulled in over 200,000 views in under 2 weeks. Same formula, different topic. That's what I call repeatable resonance. He found the emotional tension his audience lives in and created a system to resolve it. Now think about your own content. What fear is your audience living in? What shift can you help them make? Because this creator didn't go viral because he got lucky. He went viral because he got specific. His content speaks to the exact part of someone that's stuck. He delivers hope in 42 seconds or less. And you guys, that is what YouTube is rewarding right now. Ask yourself this: what are my audience's hopes, their dreams, their fears? Make content addressing those, and you will also see success. And by the way, remember when I told you that I made a horizontal short using the same format? Yeah, it totally bombed. Completely. 391 views in 5 days, same structure, same angle. So what is my analysis? The honest answer? My audience on that channel is primed for longer, emotionally layered storytelling, not direct value like this. They're used to drama arcs, not dopamine shots. And that, you guys, is a crucial takeaway. Even with the right format, even when it's executed well, it can fail if it doesn't match what your audience is trained to expect from you. So before you just copy a format, make sure you understand who you're actually making the content for. Bottom line, you guys, if you can deliver one emotional transformation with zero fluff and perfect timing, you can grow. If it's 42 seconds or if it's 8 minutes, you don't need a fancy mic. You don't need crazy, insane edits. You just need to say the right things to the right person in the right way at the right time. And you guys get what I'm talking about. All right, if you want more breakdowns like this, go check out the video I did on Maggie McCormick. Her channel exploded off of one video, but the structure is completely different. It's long form, it's reflective, it's still incredibly effective. Nice rhyming, me. All right, that one is right here. We'll see you guys over there.